Curly Sage, welcome back to another video. So this is a very long awaited video. I was supposed to do this video like a month ago, but this is going to be like a part 2 of the video where I made this wig. So if you want to see the video where I made this, then I'll link it down below. But I'm basically going to be able to I'm basically going to be trying to attempt to lay this over my box braids. And I've never done this before. The only time I did something similar to this was actually like a week ago when I was like doing these box braids on myself, and it was getting very late and I was getting tired and I didn't finish them and I had work the next day. So I kind of just like took my curly wig, not this one, but I just put my wig on and then I just put like a head wrap over it because I don't know, I was just tired and I couldn't finish it. So that's the only time I did something similar. But I'm going to try my best to like literally slay this wig over box braids. I'm not feeling very confident, I'm not gonna lie, but we will see how this goes. So the first thing I'm going to do is just kind of like try to tuck my braids under a wig cap. Okay, let's see.
Feelings so deep in the feelings.
Okay.
No, say you really like me. You control my anxiety.
I'm gonna make my baby hairs stick through. Oh Lord have mercy. I mean, that's kind of flat. I mean, I've seen people with locks, like dreads, do this before, and it looks like good, so hopefully I can do this. Oh my gosh. I mean, I wouldn't do this with a straight wig. It would definitely have to be curly so it has some body to cover this bulge here. I'm dead. Oh Lord. Okay. I have to do it from the back. It's very snug, I have to say. Very, very snug. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, it's on. Now I just have to kind of make it look more natural. I'm just gonna kind of like fluff it up to kind of hide this bulge going on. This hair is so nice though. Let's get a side part going on. I'm gonna use some edge control.
Ladies, booty bounce to this.
Okay, so this is what I came up with. I can't tell if it looks good or not. I mean, you have to tell me down below because I honestly don't know. Like, the viewfinder's like kind of playing with my eyes. I mean, it's not horrible, right? But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I really just wanted to see if this was like, if I was able to do this, and I don't know. But as I said, I will link the video where I made this wig down below, and you guys can go and check that out, and I'll list the hair deets down below as well. But yeah, thanks guys so much for watching. As always, it's the Curly Sage signing out. Peace.